Okay, today we're going to look at this Hengst oil filter, number H345W. And I got this at Rock Auto for $3.76 plus shipping. But you may be able to find this cheaper somewhere else. So let's get started.
This is set for, you gotta do the soul clean, nice and tight. You got your hanger here, filtration.
Okay, let's take a quick look at the box. It says Munster, Germany. We'll open it up, see what she looks like. Over here it says Made in China. And I think this is a day code, 98AYE. Comes with this plastic protective covering over the base plate. There you go. She has 6 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve. Bypass valve down below. Metal core with holes. And looks to be a nitro rubber gasket, which is on here pretty good. Pretty thick also. How's the threads? Oh, a lot of threads. Yeah, I see about 4 or 5 there. Okay, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like inside. Yep, coil spring. Let's get her weight. 250 grams. And the base plate, 97 grams. Let's take a look at this base plate. A lot of threads there. It's nice. Inlet holes, pretty good size. I noticed, I said this was a nitro rubber gasket, but let me see if I can get it out and show you guys. It might be one of those acrylic ethylene gaskets because it's really shiny. It's like more plasticky. It's got a plastic feel to it. Maybe some of you guys would know what this is, but I couldn't find no information about this filter really, so there's nothing on their website. Nothing on Rock Auto's website. But this base plate seems nice. And silicone drain back valve. Nice. Covers that up nicely. Filter element. 75 grams. Metal crimp seam. And it counted 60 pleats. And they're nicely spaced. Yeah, nicely evenly spaced. Clean. Metal end caps. Bypass valve right here. See if you can see that inside. Yeah, this is nice. If I had to guess, I would say it's probably some kind of synthetic blend media, but I don't know. Like I said, I couldn't find any information out about this filter. But it feels nice. Looks nice and feels nice. You can. Well, we saw the coil spring in action. This is nice. 10 grams. And the can weighs 64 grams. And let's get her thickness here. I was getting about 0.58. Yep, 0.58 millimeters. Nice, pretty thick can. You know, 0.4 to 0.5 is about average, so pretty good size, pretty good thickness. Yeah, it's a nice clean filter. Well, I say we open it up, stretch it out, and see how long she is. Oops, I almost forgot. Let's get her width. 1.93 inches wide. Okay, let's cut this filter open and See how long she is. Okay, here's the filter media all stretched out. And it's 52.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.90 millimeters thick. Pretty good thickness. 0.8 is about average. And I wish I had some filtration numbers for you guys, but I couldn't find anything. Let's look at the rest of the filter. So it looks like the Chinese are making the German filters. Well, anyways, got a lot of holes on this metal inner core. This is all made nicely. Nice bypass valve. Yeah, this all looks solid. Coil spring, that's my favorite. Silicone drain back valve. It's all nice. The base plate's nice. Pretty thick can also. Not a bad looking filter for the price. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 13 grams.